Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we're going to be making a spring arrangement with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Okay, well here we have some of the styrofoam that we use for the florals, and then we have the tin pot, and here are the florals themselves. I got the majority of these from the Dollar Tree. I think this is the only bunch that I didn't get from there, but I'm not really sure where I purchased those from. So let's get into the video. Everything I'm using to create this craft or this arrangement is down in the description box below. So let's jump right into it. So I normally leave the tags on the flowers until I actually learn what each flower is. And normally I like to use a lot of flowers. I don't like to be skimpy with my flowers. And yeah, so we're into the lavenders and the whites and the creams. I don't know, I'm gravitating toward the lavender this spring. So we're just gonna go with the flow. So as you can see here, when I open this foam, they were already pre-cut. Sometimes you'll buy them, they'll already be this way, and then other times it'll be the whole block. So just take a look out for that, because I didn't realize I already bought them pre-cut. I normally like to cut them myself.